everyone. Hi, I am Chanchal or yours Chanchu. So, welcome or welcome back to my channel Snippets of Chanchu. Let me give you a brief introduction about me. I have been to cabin crew interview twice and twice I have cleared it. Those are my personal issues, you can say, or I couldn't join. Never mind. Here I am back again with some good stories for you all. So today's story is about Shona. Yes, a group member of my community and who has already earned her wings. I feel so proud and so happy telling about her because I can vividly recall that it has been just 7 to 8 months that I had created this group. Meanwhile, हाँ बीच में ऐसा हुआ था कि because of my personal life and personal issues which were going on in my life, I had to stop everything or I had to let go of everything. Without further ado, let me tell you everything what happened behind the scenes and what is happening as of now. So back in April 2025 or May 2025 when I had given my very first cabin crew interview. So out of nowhere, I went there. I got selected, but due to some ifs and buts, I couldn't join. Hence, later on, I decided that I will be creating a WhatsApp community. हाँ, little did I know कि मैंने बैक ऑफ द माइंड इट वॉज लाइक कि कौन ही ज्वाइन करेगा, क्यों ही ज्वाइन करेगा. आई नो आई एम नॉट दैट प्रो एट दैट, बट स्टिल यू कैन से गिविंग इट अ बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट. आई जस्ट क्रिएटेड इट. Luckily, thankfully, 26 members had even joined it. I was so freaking happy that legit, मतलब कि seriously 26 people they have joined my WhatsApp community, my WhatsApp group. See, you can see the 26 members. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी टेल यू कि मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि इवन 26, मैंने तो ये भी नहीं सोचा था कि 2 लड़कियां भी ज्वाइन करेंगी और 2 लोग भी ज्वाइन करेंगे. बट बाय गॉड्स ग्रेट्स इट हैपेंड. Let me tell you that I don't charge you anything for this. It is free of cost. Whatever we do over here, all the activities and everything, whatever we discuss, whatever the insights that we do, all are free of cost. If you are someone or आपका कोई भी, if any known person of you like willing to give it a try, who is willing to at least go for the interview for this cabin group once, they can join it. It's like I'm not forcing anyone out of here, but it's just that from my side, if I can do something in your life, I would be happy to do it. So you can refer them, or you can ping, or you can drop a comment in this particular video that I want to join it, or you can DM me on my Instagram and I will let you in this particular group. So what do we do over here? We discuss all the things. क्या latest trend चल रहा है, क्या जानना चाहिए, like all the insights about cabin crew की how do they groom, what do they do. हमने बहुत बहुत बार I guess we even had this group calls जहाँ पे हमने discuss किया है. And the best part about this community is that there are girls who actually suffer from communication, you can say fillers, or who are not good at communication much. So it is the greatest platform for, you can say, to boost confidence in them. Because I have seen this girl, Sony, her name is Sony. I know back in time she had a lot of ups and downs. She had a lot of things that happened in her life herself. Yet she didn't give up. लास्ट टाइम भी मेरी बात होती थी तो शी वॉज लाइक कि दी मैं इस चीज़ में निकल गई हूँ, मुझे इस चीज़ में आउट कर दिया है, मुझे इस चीज़ में आउट कर दिया है. एंड आई वॉज लाइक कि ओके सोनी, नो नेवर माइंड, यू विल मेक इट. I am not taking any credits. It's all her put in. Everything, whatever she has done from her end. But what I am saying that I am happy that somewhere she was a part of my group and somewhere we got our very first selection from our group. And I know in the market, this trend of giving you classes for cabin crew rigorously, giving you tons and tons of makeup and everything will not let you go anywhere in your life. कि classes तो हर कोई दे देगा, but at the end it's you who has to put in all your efforts and who has to do everything for yourself. The best part, I'm not denying that you should not take the classes. Rather, I'm saying you should go there. But if you are someone who is not willing to give lakhs or thousands of your like hard-earned money to those institutions, and that is the reason why I'm putting this here, because if anywhere I can help you out by even an ounce of myself, I would be happy to do it. So the girls who have made themselves a part of this group are reluctantly or are seriously working on themselves. I mean, they even ping कि okay दी I'm going for interview on this particular day, would you suggest something, और कोई जा रहा है क्या, like you are becoming words कि how it feels कि connecting to people who don't even know you but yet you are a part of their life. So kudos to you for doing it all, for getting your wings, and I hope so, and I hope that कि यहाँ पे और भी जितनी लड़कियाँ हैं, they work that hard and they get their wings too. Good luck for yourself. Do good. Practice well. Are like interview questions I have put across. I have put across interview questions. I have put across vocabulary. I have put across like lot many things. And even हमने बहुत we do everything whatever it does require कि आप जो एक क्लास में जाके कर सकते हो, and even on this group you can do it. So yeah, this was all about her today. Thank you so much for connecting to me. Yes, stay tuned because now we are going to come up with a lot of videos. Like, share, subscribe. Do not forget that. और अगर आपके भी ग्रुप में है कोई जिस who wants to become a part of this community channel, drop me in the comment section and I'll let you in.